AG12, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool Miss Model right here, and basically what this is the bed frame, if you can see, by the brand called ZINUS. So you can see the package is really big, but let me actually open it up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like when you guys open it up. So this is probably the headrest area right here, and I believe inside or behind this part right here is all the different parts that's included inside. So let's take it out. So first thing I'm going to do is take out the bag first. So you can see we do have a zipper right here that you want to open up the middle part right here. So that way you can actually take out everything and assemble it. And also label right here in the corner to tell you guys that everything is inside. So first thing I want to do is to remove this box and put it one side first. So after you remove the box, then we can actually start assembling it. Alright, so let me actually open up this part right here. And then we'll put everything right here on the side to show you guys what's included. And we can start assembling it. As you can see, they do have the little protection layer right here. And when we take out that layer right there, you guys can see there's a bunch of stuff right here. So there's assembly gears, the different legs, the different parts, and everything all right here. And then right here, I believe is the foundation or the support, the wooden support right here to actually hold up your bed. So this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out and start assembling it. So right here is all the tools and the instruction manual to teach you guys how to install it. And inside they provide you guys some postcard if you guys want to use these. They also provide you guys a little ratchet tool that's been used to install each one of the screws on. And right here is the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up. So far I really like the packaging a lot, the way how they actually put everything onto one little box right here. So if you guys ever need to move, you guys can always disassemble it and put it back in right here. And that way you can actually carry with you guys if you guys move somewhere else, which is pretty cool. Alright, so this is basically all the parts that's included in the package. So once you guys take everything out from the package, you guys can zip this back up because you don't need this until later on. So I'm going to put this on one side for now since we don't need this part right here. So now that we got everything all spread out and out for the package, let's start assembling it. So the first thing I want to take out is the letter D. So if you guys don't know which one is letter D, they actually label it in the instruction manual to let you guys know which is which. But basically it's this one right here. So let's open it up. So you basically want to pull this all the way first. Once you guys open it all the way, you guys want to open up the legs on the bottom as well. So once you guys have this open up, you guys want to get the L screw and screw it in right here, and also that side as well. So inside the tool set right here, they label each one. So there's an L, there's an M, there's a spare one, and also a tool right here as well. So let's take that out. Alright, so I just want to put on the L screw right here. And then once you get to a certain point where you guys can't use your hand to do it, you guys can use the little tool right here. Alright, so once you guys finish this part, you want to do the same thing for our side as well. So the next one we're going to work on is letter E right here. So for the letter E, you want to open this up as well. So you want to open up this way and open up the other way as well. And once you guys open up both of them, you guys want to put the L screw as well. Once you finish both sides, what you want to do is to put this on top right here onto the D bar. So it should look something like this. And then the middle part right here should go right here. So you just want to lift this part up. And you want to fit the hole into the middle right here. Once you guys do that, then you guys want to screw this on. Alright, so once you finish this part right here, what you're going to do next is the headrest. So you guys want to open up this box right here where it has the bottom of the leg on the product. Alright, so you see they have the legs right here. So you basically want to screw this onto like the headrest area. So let me do that first. So you guys probably can't see in the video, but I'm screwing it on right here. And before you guys screw it on, you do want to remove the little cap that's on here first. Alright, so we got the legs installed right there, and also for the bottom as well. So we're going to flip it over in 1 second, but we want to put on these M screws right here, and also on the bottom right here as well. So let me actually do that first. Alright, so once we finish setting up that part there, what I want to do is to work on the bottom of the leg part. Alright, so once you guys finish setting up that, you want to do the same thing for this side. But for the one that we got right here, it already has the M screw in here, so we don't have to do that step. What we do want to do is put on the legs right here, onto the bottom part. And same thing, you guys want to take off the cap first. Alright, so once you finish this side right here, you want to do the same thing for our side as well. Alright, so once you guys finish that part there, what you want to do is put this on the bottom and this part on top. And each one of these already has a screw inside right here. Then you just want to loosen it up. And you just want to insert into each different part right here and right here. So I'm actually bring the camera over to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so for two, you guys want to push this over. And you guys want to loosen up these screws right here. So that way you can insert into this part right here. Same thing for the other side as well. But let's do this first. You don't want to make it too loose. Just loose enough where you have to put it inside right here. Alright, let's give it a try and see what actually works. Alright, so we got it in. So what you want to do now is to lock it in and make it tight. Alright, so that should be good. So you want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Alright, so that should be good. Let's try to put it in. So once you guys got it in, you guys want to tighten it up. So we're done with this part and we're done the other part as well. Let's move to the next step. Alright, so what we're going to do now is to get the C part right here and we're going to install it right here. So there should be two separate parts. So C right here and C right here. And you want to loosen up this part and that part as well. So that way it's actually insert into these little gaps area right here. So just give it a try and see how it works. So I'll probably do it on that side first and definitely see a better view of the product. So when you guys insert this part right here, you definitely want to be careful and make sure you guys insert it correctly. So you see the way how we have this one right here. This one's supposed to go right here. So we're gonna leave this here for later. But as you can see the way how this one's positioned, this one will go on the other side. So I'm actually install this first and I'll show you guys the way it actually looks like on this side when it's much more clearer. Alright, so we just finished putting this part right here and this side as well. If you guys can see, this is basically what it looks like. Let me actually bring the camera to the other side and then show you guys how to install this side right here. So basically what I'm gonna do is to loosen up this part right here. And then for this board option right here, you guys want to loosen up these two right here. So that way I can just put it onto this part right here, which I'll show you guys in a second. Alright, so once you guys loosen up that part, you want to loosen up this part as well. Alright, so that should be good. What you're going to do now is to insert right there and this part right here as well. Let me show you guys how to do it. So you just want to go like this. Alright, so once you guys put it in, you can see it locks in right there. And you guys want to lock it in this side as well. Alright, so once you guys got both sides locked in, you guys want to tighten it back up. Alright, so once you guys finish this side, you want to do the same thing for the last side right there. So the same thing, you guys want to loosen this part up first. Alright, same thing for this side right here. Alright, so that should be good. So let's insert it in. Alright, so that's good and this good. Let's tighten it back up. Alright, so once you guys fully assemble all that part right here, so you got the headrest, the bottom support, what you're going to do now is to put the wood right here on top. And it does have the sticky part on each end, so that way actually can stick onto this part right here, and also on the other side as well, you can see on that side. So now let's stick on the wood and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so that's what it looks like on this part right here once you guys finish sticking it on there. So once you guys finish that part, you guys want to do this part as well. Alright, so this is basically what the legs looks like right here, and this is what it looks like on the top right here. Alright, so once you guys fully set apart, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. All you guys need now is to put the memory foam bed or your bed on top. So let's do that first. Alright, so once we fully assemble the product, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So you definitely have a very nice bed frame and you definitely have a very nice mattress on top. And then right there at the headrest. Alright, so now that we finished product, let's hop on and test it out to see how good is the foundation and support on the bed. Alright, so you can see that actually does work and it definitely has a good foundation on the bed. So you can see the bed frame is pretty good, has good support even for the mattress and everything. So that's basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this overall bed frame, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys got a queen size bed. I believe they make this for like full size and a king size as well. So no matter which one you guys get, this is basically what the product looks like. And it definitely looks pretty awesome. So I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.